to my channel. In today's video, I'll be covering one topic of algebra, one simple problem on it. Do subscribe my channel if you are new to it. So let's get started with today's video. The problem is root x plus 8 minus root x plus 1 is equals to 7. The problem in this sum is root is available in these terms. So how to remove this? To remove this term, we will try to do squaring on both the sides. But it will be difficult to square the terms in which square root is available on both the terms. So we will send this term to the right hand side of it. So root x plus 8 will be equals to 7 plus root x plus 1. Now square on both sides. The result will be x plus 8 root x plus 8 का whole square is equals to 7 plus root x plus 1 whole square. Therefore, x plus 8 is equals to 49 plus 14 root x plus 1 plus x plus 1. As this term we will be applying the formula of a square plus 2ab plus b square, where a is 7, b is root x plus 1. Therefore, x plus 8 will be equals to 49 plus 14 root x plus 1 plus x plus 1. This will get cancelled. Therefore, 8 minus 50 is equals to 14 root x plus 1. Therefore, minus 42 by 14 is equals to root x plus 1. Therefore, minus 3 is equals to root x plus 1. Therefore, x plus 1 is equals to 9. Implies x will be 9 minus 1 is equals to 8. Thanks for watching this video. If you are having any doubt, then please comment down in this video. I will reply to that. If you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to it.